In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find dermatologists near me. To get started, open your web browser and go to findaderm.aad.org. This is the search tool where you can look for dermatologists based on your location and, if needed, narrow the results based on the type of care you're looking for. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can easily follow the next steps. On the website, look for the section labeled Find a Dermatologist. This is the main search area you'll use to begin your search. If you're on the home page, this section should be easy to spot, and selecting it will bring your attention to the search options available. Next, click into the search bar and enter your zip code, city, or state. This helps the site find dermatologists near your area. If you want the most accurate local results, entering a zip code is usually the best option. A city or state can also work well if you're searching more broadly or comparing providers across a larger area. After entering your location, move to the next field and choose the filter that best matches what you need. You can select a practice focus, a condition, a procedure, or even a doctor's name. This step is especially helpful if you're not just looking for any dermatologist, but someone who treats a specific skin condition or offers a particular service. If you already know the name of the dermatologist you want to find, you can use that option as well to search more directly. Once your location and filter choices are entered, click the search button. The site will then begin looking for matching results based on the information you provided. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. After the search finishes, the filtered dermatologist will appear on the screen. You'll be able to view the available results along with useful details such as the clinic address and phone number. This makes it easier to compare options and decide which office you may want to contact. As you review the list, make sure the location and specialty match what you're looking for before reaching out. Taking an extra moment to check the details can save time and help you find the right provider more quickly. And that's how to find dermatologists near you using the online search tool.